Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to cure a zombie villager. This can be very helpful if you're trying to rebuild a village that has lost all of its members to zombie attack before you were able to fortify and save it. They will also provide you a Hero of the Village buff to give you a discount on trade goods and reset the different shop values in your town if you cure them within range of an existing village. So what you will need is you're going to need a potion of weakness, a splash potion of weakness, and a golden apple to cure this lad. So the golden apple is actually relatively easy if I actually had gold bars. So let's get myself some gold bars. And we need an apple. And a golden apple is literally just you surround an apple with 8 gold bars and you have a golden apple. From here, we also need to make a splash potion of weakness, and the recipe for that is a fermented spider eye and a bottle inside of the brewing stand. So we're going to need a few things. We need some bottles, we need some blaze rods, spider eyes, regular brown mushrooms, and sugar. So to make the fermented spider eyes, you're going to need spider eyes, brown mushroom, and some sugar. It's basically like if you were to ferment pickles in real life, turning cucumbers into pickles. So now we have a spider eye. That's part of what we need to do. I'm going to convert these blaze rods into blaze powder because that fuels the brewing stand. And then now we just need to get our bottles ready. So bottles are pretty simple. They're just some glass that you arrange in the shape of a little bowl, and then they'll give you a few bottles per recipe. And then we're going to need a cauldron to fill these in. Cauldrons are made with iron. And then from here, we can put 3 of these bottles into one brewing stand at a time. So you might as well make the most of it. You never know when you're going to cure another zombie villager. The fuel is a blaze rod, and then we're going to make some fermented spider eyes. And then that will process, and while that's processing, let me get some gunpowder, because gunpowder is how you turn a regular potion into a throwable potion, which is what we're going to need to get this guy under the effects of the weakened state. So basically, you have to feed him an apple while they're weakened. So this is the potion of weakness, and then we're going to put in some gunpowder. And that will also process all 3 of these into splash potions. So if you miss the first time, I guess you can do it again. And you might as well do a lot of bulk brewing at the same time when you're doing this, because, you know, this is your fuel meter. You might as well make the most of it while you got it. So now I have splash potions of weakness if I need more. I have my golden apple. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to throw this so he's under the effect, and then I'm going to feed that boy this tasty apple. Now we just have to wait for the effects of the little swirly dirlies that you can see coming off of him to wear off, and then he should turn back into a person. But yeah, so the curing time, from what I understand, for a zombie villager is somewhere in the range of 3 to 5 minutes, and then they'll be back to their normal, wholesome, wonderful self. Oh, there he goes, right as I say that. And so yeah, now we have our villager again, and we can give him a job, we can take him to the rest of the village, and that should have, if I had been next to a village, given me a buff that says I'm the hero of the people because I saved a man's life from zombieism. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a brief look at how to cure a zombie villager. You're going to need, obviously, a few things to get this process done. And yeah, I'll catch you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bye.